On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you the Corsair RX 120 RGB Starter Kit. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you the RX 120 RGB Starter Kit. This is made by Corsair and it's RGB fans, so they have lights on them. I opened the box up off camera for just to make sure I still had the parts, and I do. So now let's look at what's inside. So this is the power supply. As you can see, it's got a weird connection, which this goes into, just like this. Should go in there. Oh, gotta get it lined up. Just like that. It does come with a USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter, which is really cool. And these adapters. So once I pull the fans out, we'll take a look. Mounting hardware. And the fans themselves. These are really cool. Alright, so these are what the fans look like, and these are the connections for the fans. So all I gotta do is undo these and put it in just like this. This end goes in here, and you can link them all together. But I'm gonna power it a different way right now. So alright, so right now I can only link to, oh wait, never mind. So there we go. So now I'm going to pull the sleeve out of this. And there we go. And this last one goes into the power supply. But for the sake of the video, I'll only use two here. And then I plug it into the power supply. And I should be able to power this through USB-C cable. So there we go. So I have my USB-C cable and it should power it. Excuse me one moment, I will be right back. Alright, so unfortunately the way I had it hooked up was not going to work. So I have my testing machine and I have the connection to it. So let's see if this powers on. Shouldn't be loose. Give me just 1 second. Alright, now it's time to power the system on. And unfortunately the switch that I had on here went bad, so I gotta do it this way. Have it on the on position. And now the fans are spinning. Now they light up. They do stop. And once you hear the post beep, they start spinning again. Pretty cool, huh? And this is what they look like spinning. The Corsair logo lights up. So there we go. This is the power supply to it. Alright, so anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.